I believe that we need to keep the kids curious about the world. We develop different tools that are meant to help the teachers in the process of teaching sustainability. One of the most interesting parts of a teacher is what you learn from the kids, not what you teach to them. So each time a kid raises his or her hand and asks why, that gives me hope. It's not only explaining them the problem, but beside that, inviting them to, okay, let's think about a solution. One of the experiments is to map the school. So for them, it's super exciting to go over the school, taking different data and information. If they're conscious of what they're learning at school and they try to apply it in the future, they might become whatever they want. Here it's climate change, here it's technology. In the future, you can use this technology to save the world.